Welcome back to slprimestudio YouTube channel. I'm Samit. I invite you to stay with this new tutorial until end of the video. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace teacup from water in a different way. I use both movetool and elliptical tool for this tutorial. Without delay, let's go to the video. I selected a picture from pixel.com. I'm going to change this teacup into water. So I select elliptical marquee tool in the toolbar left upper corner of the toolbar. Press Shift and M for quick open the tool. I go to the center of the teacup and press Shift and Alt key in the keyboard to draw round shape selection. Then I copy the selection via pressing Ctrl key and C. I already opened a picture of water from pixel.com. I create a new layer and I paste the selection on the layer. Shortcut is Ctrl+V. OK. Now I select background layer and draw a round shape like this as previous. Nicely did it. I copy the selection as following previous steps. I go to first picture and paste the selection on that like this. Wow! Now I rescale the pasted selection on the teacup via using Move tool. You can press V for quick open the tool. Almost finished. Now it's time to blend teacup with water for better output. I go to blending option and select hue option. Brilliant and excellent. This our water cup. Practice yourself again and again. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope to bring you a new Photoshop tutorial in later. If you gain something into your knowledge, please be kind enough to join with me. Feel free to leave a comment on the comments section. Have a nice day.